Hello, this is my project on what makes something Baroque style by Diana Cervantes. Alright, so the introduction to Baroque style. The definition: Baroque is a style of art, architecture, and design that was popular in Europe from the 17th to the mid 18th century. It was the first style to have a significant global impact. Baroque art emphasizes dramatic, exaggerated motion and clear, easily interpreted detail. Due to its exuberant irregularities, Baroque art has often been defined as bizarre or uneven. Many art history scholars have debated whether Baroque art marked the end of the Renaissance, or if it constituted a distinct cultural and historical phenomenon. Some argue that the Protestant Reformation and the 30 Years' War altered Europeans and European artists' perspective, leading to a shift in the direction of art and cultures, thus distinguishing it from the Renaissance. Characteristics of Baroque. Some of the qualities most frequently associated with the Baroque are grandeur, sensuous richness, drama, vitality, movement, tension, emotional exuberance, and a tendency to blur distinctions between the various artists. The chiaroscuro, which is strong contrast of light and dark, and tenebrism, intense contrast of light to highlight subjects, are terms to describe the characteristics of Baroque. There are also dynamic poses and facial expressions that convey drama, and ornamentation, which lavish details, textures, and vibrant colors typical of Baroque works. Characteristics of Baroque in architecture. So not only is there Baroque style in art, but there is also in architecture buildings as well. So the characteristics are vaulted cupolas, twirling and swiveling colonnades, rough stone and smooth stucco used throughout walls and doorways, frescoes and ornately painted ceilings. There is also frontal ceiling paintings and French fur deceives the eye on the ceilings and walls. Now these are examples. This is a painting by Caravaggio's Calling of St. Matthew's. In this, we could see that there is a dramatic use of light from the top going along their faces, which is a famous component of these arts. Another is Rubens' painting Elevation of the Cross, which conveys movement and emotion. As you could see on the cross, there is a lot of movement, and you could see by everyone's postures just how emotional and how everything is conveyed in this painting. Now this is a church of Saint Ignatius of Loyola, Rome, Lasik, Italy. This church originates in late 16th century Italy. It is grandeur, it has drama and contrast. It also has curvaceous features, twisting elements, and gilded statuary. Now this is another example of all these components featuring the light, the artwork on the ceiling,